Alright, so this is another aspect of simple equations. These are linear equations containing fractions. You can see. Don't be scared. They look kind of ginormous, but they are simple. They are questions you can easily solve. Now the first one, you're having 3x minus 2 over 2 minus 2x plus 1 over 3 equals 2, right? So now you're having two fractions on this side. Then the right hand side you're having 2. So the smartest thing to do is you have to find the LCM of the left hand side. So LCM of 2 and 3 automatically, because 3 is a prime number. 2 times 3, then LCM is 6. So you put 6 here. You now ask yourself, how many times will this 2, the denominator, how many times will 2 go in 6? Or 6 divided by 2, to give you 3. So use that 3 to multiply the numerator here. So that is 3 into bracket 3x minus 2. Then bring this minus sign down. 3 goes in 6 2 times. Or 6 divided by 3 is still 2. So divide the LCM by the denominator. That gives you 2. So use the 2 to multiply the numerator here. Alright? So it's equal to 2. Then expand the numerator. Okay, on the left hand side. So 3, this plus here, this plus. Plus times plus is plus. 3 times 3x, that is 9x. Plus times minus is minus. 3 times 2, 6. Alright? We are done with this bracket. Then this minus times this plus. There's an invisible plus in front of 2x. So minus times plus, there you have minus. 2 times 2x, that is 4x. Alright? Are you following me? Yeah. So minus times plus is minus. 2 times 1, you have 2. You have 2, right? So everything over 6 is equal to 2. The next thing, you can erase the plus sign. The signs are just to guide you. They are just guides, They are your tour guides. Now, the next thing, you collect like terms at the numerator level. Now, 9x minus 4x minus 6 minus 2. Everything over 6 is equal to 2. Alright, so 9x minus 4x, that gives you 5x. Minus 6 minus 2, that will be minus 8. Everything over 6 is equal to 2. Now, just look at it. Is mathematics not interesting? From something gigantic, now look at what it's reduced to. Now, let's move to the other side of the board. So, I'm going to rewrite this. 5x minus 8 over 6 is equal to 2. Now, we need to, since on the left hand side, I'm having a fraction. So, I'm going to make this also a fraction. So, I'll make it 2 over 1. 2 over 1 is the same as 2, right? So, the next thing, since I'm having two fractions on both sides, one on the left, one on the right, the next thing is what? Cross multiply. So, when you cross multiply, so what you have, this one multiplied, that's 1 into bracket 5x minus 8 equals 2 times 6 or 6 times 2. You can do this first or this first, still the same answer you're going to get. Okay? So, equals 6 times 2 or 2 times 6. So, plus times plus is plus. 1 times 5x, 5x. Plus times minus is minus. 1 times 8 is equal to 6 times 2, 12. Then you collect like terms. So, you have 5x on the left hand side. Alright? Then is equal to 12. Then the 12 is already on the right. So, bring minus 8 to the right hand side. Minus 8 comes to the right from the left. It becomes plus 8. So, 5x is equal to 12 plus 8. That should be 20. Alright? So, the next thing, you are looking for x. And the coefficient of x is 5. So, divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. Divide both sides, dbs by 5. So, 5x over 5 is equal to 20 over 5. That is 5x divided by 5 is equal to 20 divided by 5 as well. So 5 cancels 5, remains x on the left. So 5 goes in 20 4 times. So x is equal to 4. So the value of x in that equation is 4. And that's our answer to that question. Alright. So the second question, I'm going to solve it on the other side of the board. Now what we have here is this. You're having 2 over 3 into bracket 5 plus y equals 1 over 4 into bracket 5y minus 2. Now, there's something I want to explain to you that you really must understand from now going forward, because you are going to meet it in future. Now, whenever you have any algebra expression or whatever at all beside the fraction is the numerator that multiplies whatever you have beside that fraction. The numerator on the left hand side is 2 and the numerator on the right hand side is 1. So 2 multiplies this 5 plus y in the bracket. So 2 into bracket 5 plus y, everything over this denominator, which is 3, equals this one multiplies, I told you the numerator beside, the numerator of the fraction multiplies whatever is beside that fraction when it comes to equations or when it comes to algebra expressions generally. Alright? 1 multiplies this, everything over 4. Now, you use this 2 to expand this bracket. You know, this plus 2, this plus 5, this plus y. So plus times plus is plus. 2 times 5, you have 10. Then plus times plus is plus. 2 times y, you have 2y. Everything over 3. Okay? Now, this is plus. Plus times plus is plus. 1 times 5y is 5y. Plus times minus is minus. 1 times 2, you have 2. Everything over 4. Now, guess what? They're having 2 fractions on both sides of the equation. Alright? So, the next thing to do, since they're having 2 fractions, is to what? Cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, now this 4 multiplies 10 plus 2y, this 3 multiplies 5y minus 2. So 4 into bracket, because they're having 2 10s here, so it has to be in bracket. So 4 into bracket, 10 plus 2y is equal to 3 into bracket, 5y minus 2. It's back to linear form, but we have to expand so that we have to collect our like terms and simplify. So this is plus 4, this plus 10, this plus 2y on the left hand side. You know, I told you an equation has the LHS, which is the left hand side, and the RHS, which is the right hand side. Now on the LHS now, plus times plus is plus. 4 times 10, you have 40. Then plus times plus is plus. 4 times 2y is 8y. Then plus times plus is plus. 3 times 5y, you have 15y. Then plus times minus is minus. 3 times 2, you have 6. We are almost there. Then we collect like terms. So collecting like terms now, this is 40 on the left hand side. Now bring minus 6 here to join its family member here. You know, 40 and minus 6 are numbers. 8 has y, 15 has y. You also bring them together. 40 minus 6. This is minus 6 on the right hand side. Bring it to the left, it becomes plus 6. This is 15y. Bring plus 8y here, becomes minus 8y. 40 plus 6, that is 46. 15y minus 8y, that is 7y. Right? So the next thing, divide both sides by what? By 7. Alright? 46 divided by 7 over 7 is equal to 7y over 7. So 7 goes in 46, how many times? 7 in 42, that should be 6. Right? So remainder 42, remainder 5 over 7 is equal to y. 7 cancels 7 here. So let me use a little space to complete it. So 6 whole number, 5 over 7 is equal to y. So y is equal to 6 whole number, 5 over 7. And that's our final answer.